Hello dear viewers, not much time has passed since the last report from the Alabushevo construction site. But as you can see in the new video, the changes are significant. The work in pouring the concrete slabs and erecting the foundation floors is in full swing. The video shows part of the ready-made concrete-filled foundations, and the preparation of places for pouring the new ones is underway. Today, large-scale activities are in progress on the construction site, aimed at promptly erecting the D&E building and putting it into operation. The transportation of equipment and motors to the temporary storage areas located on the Tetra of the future D&E continues too. Follow the release of the new videos about the latest events of the Sovelmash project. See you again!